All right, fifth grade, for the last math lesson this week, we're going to be working with adding two fractions, like what we've been doing all week. But now today, we're going to have the extra challenge of adding fractions with unlike denominators, okay? Unlike denominators. And just like what we're going to be doing now, every time we add fractions, we do need to simplify when we're done, before we're done. All right, well, to help us understand what unlike denominators are, let's take a look at our rainbow fraction chart. Okay, when I look at my rainbow fraction chart, I might have a fraction where it says 1/2 plus 1/4. Okay, well, let's find 1/2. Here it is. And now let's find 1/4. Here it is. Okay, now you might be tempted to look at that and say, oh, that's easy, Mr. Ivan, I can do that. 1/2 plus 1/4 is going to be 2/6, right? And not right. Why is it not 2/6? Well, let's come down on a rainbow fraction chart and circle 2/6. 1, 2. Do you think this plus this equals this? No, you can see that doesn't add up at all. So here's what I have to do. I have to find a like denominator. Well, how am I going to find a like denominator? I'm going to have to change one of them. Which one do you think you can change? Can I change 1/4 into 1/2? No. Can I change 1/2 into 1/4? Maybe. If I break it into two pieces, hey, now it's the same size as 1/4. All right, let's show how we can do that on our, well, let's color it in actually. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So 1/2 plus 1/4 gets me 3/4. All right, now let's prove it using number math. All right, so I'm going to start off with the same fraction, 1/2 plus 1/4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it, okay? So to change it, let's rewrite the addition sign and the equal sign. Now remember, which one am I going to change, 1/2 or 1/4? Very good, I'm going to change that 1/2. That means I can rewrite the 1/4 over here. Well, what should I change 1/2 to? 2 times what equals 4? Very good, 2 times 2 equals 4. And remember, just like when we simplified, whatever I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator. So I'm going to do 1 times 2. All right, let's rewrite it. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Oh, do I have like denominators now? You bet, they both have a denominator of 4. Now, when I add fractions together until I simplify, I need that denominator of 4. And now I go ahead and add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3. And now I ask myself, 3/4, can that be simplified? No. Why not? Because 3 is a prime number. It can't be divided. So I'm done. 3/4. All right, guys, let's put that into practice with one more example, this time with bigger denominators. All right, let's take a look at one that it says 4/6 plus 5/12. Okay, now remember, I'm going to rewrite this problem. And I'm going to ask myself, well, which one has a bigger denominator? Which one is bigger, 12 or 6? Very good, 12 is bigger. That gives me a clue. Well, can I change a 6 into a 12? Yes, I can. Let's rewrite the problem. Well, can I change a 6 into a 12? How? Very good. 6 times 2 equals 12. Whatever I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator. 4 times 2 equals what? Equals 8. Very good. Now, because this one already has a denominator of 12, I don't need to multiply. I can just keep it the way it is. All right, now let's go ahead and add the numbers together. Remember, when I add until I simplify, I'm going to keep that denominator the same. Now let's add. 8 plus 5 gets me 13. Okay, so I got 13 twelfths. Uh-oh, that numerator is bigger than the denominator, so I need to convert it. Remember, how do we convert it? Well, remember, we use this little formula. Numerator over denominator becomes division box with the numerator in the division box, the denominator out. Whole number is my answer, remainder numerator. That's something we gotta keep in our head all the time. Write it on a sticky note and keep it on your table where you do your homework. Okay, well, I got 13 12, so what should go in the box? Very good. 13 goes in the box. 12 goes out. What's 13 divided by 12? Very good, that's 1. 1 times 12 is 12. 13 take away 12 is 1. So I got 1 remainder 1. I'm going to change colors and we're going to write our answer. Okay, what's my whole number? 1. Fraction bar. What's my new numerator? 1. What's my denominator? Still 12. 1 and 1/12. Now, do I have to simplify this? No, I don't have to simplify this because 1 is a prime number. It can't be divided. So I get 1 and 1/12 is my answer. All right, put that into practice on toucan fraction number 12.